Van Vranken Avenue, often spelled Van Franklin Ave colloquially, in Schenectady is named after the historic Van Vranken family, early Dutch settlers, whose roots trace back to pre-1664 Albany and Schenectady. As the city expanded in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the street gradually evolved from a residential corridor into a bustling north side artery, lined with a mix of brick homes and small businesses built between about 1870 and 1910.
We're going to drive through here and I'll check back in with you once we get a little further up on the north end.
At its northeastern end, Van Vranken Avenue meets the Maxon Road extension, which serves as a direct connector. Traveling eastward, this road seamlessly becomes Aqueduct Road as you enter the hamlet of Aqueduct in Niskuna. The name Aqueduct Road recalls the Erie Canal Aqueduct built in 1828, later replaced in 1842, whose remnants still stand near Rexford. Continuing northeast, the route leads directly onto State Route 146 and crosses the Mohawk River via the modern four-lane Rexford Bridge, also known as Bridge 8, opened in 2017. This crossing marks the historical trail of commerce and connectivity from the old canal waterways to today's roadways linking Schenectady with Rexford and Clifton Park. And there you have it. Is how Van Vranken Avenue weaves local family history, early canal infrastructure, and modern engineering into one continuous corridor connecting neighborhoods, hamlets, and roads right over the Mohawk to the Rexford Bridge on Route 146.
All right, yeah, Province, smash that like button like it owes you money, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next ride, and drop a comment if you've got a spot I should cruise through next. Catch you on the next one. Peace!